हाय गाइस, इस टर्म को पहले आपने कई बार सुना होगा। गेस व्हाट? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एसईओ। व्हाट डज एसईओ एक्चुअली मीन? एसईओ का फुल फॉर्म होता है सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन। So basically, SEO is driving organic traffic from search engines. SEO is the foundation of holistic marketing where everything of your company does matter. Once you understand what your users want, you can then implement that knowledge across your paid campaigns, website content and social media properties. SEO एक ऐसा चैनल है जो ट्रैफिक गैदर करता है और जो आपके की बिजनेस गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए जरूरी है। It also builds trust. A website that ranks well on SERP, that is search engine result page, is generally regarded as authoritative or trustworthy. So there's one example for SEO. Go to Nike.com and you'll see a plethora of terms in use. Must have, trending and new releases are just the start of the celebration. From the moment you go to Nike's homepage, you'll be bombarded with their most recent offerings. So SEO के types भी होते हैं and there are 3 types of SEO. Technical SEO, on-site SEO and off-site SEO. Technical SEO means optimizing the technical aspects of a website, whereas on-site SEO means optimizing the content on a website for users and search engines. And last but not the least, off-site SEO refers to SEO tactics applied outside a website to improve its rankings. What is SEO strategy? An SEO marketing strategy is a comprehensive plan to get more visitors on a website through search engines. सक्सेसफुल SEO इंक्लूड करता है ऑन पेज स्ट्रैटेजीज जिसमें इंटेंट बेस्ड कीवर्ड्स और ऑफ पेज स्ट्रैटेजीज का यूज होता है। How to monitor and track SEO results. Technical setup, content and links are critical to getting a website into the search results. Measuring SEO success means tracking data about the traffic, engagement and links. And though most companies set up their own SEO KPIs, that is key performance indicators, and the most common ones are organic traffic growth, keyword ranking, conversions from organic traffic, average time on page and the bounce rate, top landing pages attracting organic traffic, index pages, links growth including lost and new link. अब हम बात करेंगे लोकल SEO और ब्लैक हैट SEO के बारे में। वैसे तो गूगल भी आपको आपके पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स देता है, लेकिन अगर आप कोई लोकल बिजनेस रन कर रहे हैं तो स्पेसिफिकली आपको यूज करना चाहिए लोकल SEO. 46% of Google searches are for local businesses. They look for vendor suggestions and specific business addresses. 72% of the searches visit a local store or a company's premises within 24 hours of the search. Here are local results Google display for the phrase best salon in Mumbai. ये रिजल्ट्स में कोई भी लिंक नहीं होती है। इंस्टेड इनमें होते हैं लिस्ट ऑफ सैलून्स जो आपके एरिया में है, एक मैप जो सैलून की लोकेशन बताएगा और कुछ एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन जैसे बिजनेस नेम, डिस्क्रिप्शन, इमेज, स्टार रिव्यूज, opening hours or address. So the next is black hat SEO. Black hat practices aim at manipulating search engine algorithms using strategies against search engine guidelines. The most common black hat techniques includes keyword stuffing, buying links and clocking. Black hat strategies let you cut down the complexity of link building. For example, keyword stuffing helps users to rank one page for many keywords without having to create more content. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.